Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Brightland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 5. This is a part 2 video of chapter 1 evolution of computer. So this video is about generations of computers. So students, in this video we are going to learn about various generations of computers. In between 1945 to 1956, we have the first generation of computer which used thousands of vacuum tubes. As a result, consumed lots of power and generated large amount of heat. They were large in size and very expensive. Machine language was used to program and punch card and paper tapes as input. They were the fastest calculating device of that time, could do 5000 additions and 350 multiplications per second. Example includes ENIAC, ADVAC, UNIVAC 1. Second generation of computer in between 1956 to 1963, when the transistor replaced vacuum tubes. This made smaller and faster than first generation and cheaper. They were cheaper and more reliable. They were also more energy efficient and still generated lots of heat. They used magnetic core technology and save instructions in memory. They have used machine and assembly language to program. Example include IBM 7090, CDC 3600. The third generation of computer was between 1964 to 1971, when integrated circuit or IC replaced transistors. This made computer smaller and faster, cheaper than earlier computers. They were accessed using keyboard and monitor, and even had an operating system to enable it to run to different applications at the same time. They were now made available to large number of peoples as they were smaller and cheaper. Examples: IBM 360, PDP 11. The fourth generation of computers started from year 1971 to now with the advent of microprocessor with used VLSI or very large scale integration technology, which have thousands of ICs on a single silicon chip. This made computer small and portable. They were cheapest and could work at high speed. They lot more accuracy and reliability. They have larger memory. Led to explosion in development of GUI software and application software and handheld devices. Example includes all the computers you see around you today. Future is the fifth generation, which will be based upon artificial intelligence. They will be used ULSI or ultra large scale integration technology, making it even more faster, cheaper, and self-reliant. Combined to quantum technology and nanotechnology, the generation of computer are going to be intelligent computer in future generation. Thank you very much students to watching this video. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.